Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a pup tent and a lantern. Let's start drawing. First I draw a pup tent. This is a triangle tent style. Drawing this pup tent is quite simple. You just need to draw curved lines and straight lines following my instructions. I'll draw some grass around it. Then I draw some pebbles right here. Right here, I continue to draw a lantern. This lamp runs on batteries. It is often used when camping. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use yellow to paint this lantern lamp. Then I color this surrounding part dark blue. For a pup tent, I use more colors, starting with orange. Then I use this dark green marker to paint, and brown for these parts. I also color pebbles brown. Then I use green to paint this part of the pup tent. Light green. Going camping with family is great. Every month, my family goes camping together once. And you, do you like to go camping? Our drawing is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.